What is going on YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Crypto Crusaders, where we dominate crypto one coin at a time. Before getting started, I would like to ask, please smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Helps me make these videos for you guys and find the newest coin. I am not a financial advisor, so please, really please trade out your own risk and do your own research. With that being said, I have a new project for you guys. It's called Hector DAO. And I'm going to break it down for you to see if this is a project worth investing in. Now, if you don't know what a DAO is, according to Google, a DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, sometimes called a decentralized autonomous corporation. It is an organization represented by rules encoded as a computer program that is transparent, controlled by the organization members, and not influenced by a central government. So pretty straightforward. It's decentralized. It says right here where 3-3 became 4-4. Let's build wealth. When you have paper hands, you sell too early. When you have diamond hands, you huddle until you reach your goal. When you have smart hands, you stake and move towards wealth. We're going to check that out later, and they also have a roadmap. Now here we have a market cap as of today of 145 million. One HEC is $61, and the total circulating supply is around 2.3 million to 2.4 million. They have a treasury balance of 125 million. So what is a Hector DAO? Hector is a decentralized protocol based on the HEC token, collateralized and backed by the Hector DAO. HEC will be the reserve currency on Phantom. In order to maintain price stability, Hector will use algorithmic reserve currency algorithm and will also be supported by other decentralized assets. Pretty straightforward. So how does it work? They have a treasury revenue, treasury growth, so liquidity pool, fees and bonds. Liquidity pool fees as well as bond sales increase Hector's treasury revenue. They also lock in liquidity and help control the HEC supply. Hector's treasury inflow is increasing the treasury balance and backs outstanding HEC tokens and regulates staking APY. And then the HEC token compounds yields automatically through a treasury-backed token with intrinsic value. So there's a staking system. Now they have partners. Here we have a Certic. I would assume they have a Certic Audit, the Phantom Foundation, and Rari. Now where to buy it? You can find it on, I never heard of these swaps, but Spooky Swap, Spirit Swap, Yoshi, Rubik, Hotbit, and L Bank. It was also featured on Being Crypto, Yahoo Money, CoinTurk, Investing, Asia One, Asahi, News BTC, Bitcoinist, Cointelegraph, Yahoo News, Smartarium, and Yahoo Finance. Now let's go into the frequently asked questions. This also looks like their white paper, so breaks down further what is Hector DAO. Stablecoins like USDT and USDC have become an integral part of the crypto space. We use them to store non-volatile value, allowing us to maintain the same amount of purchasing power from day to day. Fortunately, this isn't how the US dollar works. The Federal Reserve controls the minting of US dollars, and fiscal policies have consistently led to the depreciation of this currency. This means the dollar today is worth more than the dollar tomorrow, which is pretty true. I agree with that. Due to inflation and overproduction of the currency, the value of the dollar has quite dwindled to its price point today. So what is the aim of Hector DAO? This is why Hector DAO exists. Bitcoin cryptocurrency in the general was the first step towards decentralization. Hector DAO is the next step towards this goal. The native currency of Hector, HEC, will serve as a reserve currency backed by assets owned and maintained truly decentralized autonomous protocol. Similarly to Olympus, HEC is backed by DAI and other assets by the reserved treasury and will function in a very similar way. When HEC trades below DAI, the protocol will buy back and burn the HEC, increasing the price to at least 1 DAI. This means the HEC will always be worth equal to or more than DAI. Hector DAO aims to become a de facto reserve currency on the FTM Phantom of the FTM Opera network, one which is truly owned and maintained by a decentralized protocol which serves the majority. Our goal is for HEC to be a common trading pair which is backed by real assets. Now imagine this does become a trading pair with many currencies out there. This has a lot of potential to be huge. So how to buy it? pretty straightforward. We find most of our users are not yet on the Phantom Opera chain. Therefore, we have a series of guides. Okay, and how to participate. So there are two main strategies for investors: there's staking and bonding. Stakers can stake their HEC tokens for more HEC tokens in return, while bonders provide liquidity pool or DAI tokens in exchange for discounted HEC tokens after a fixed vesting period. So it looks like decisions are made via snapshots, and that's pretty straightforward. So in terms of creating value, there's bonding and staking, and you could read that on your own time. There's price volatility. Will Hector's price be volatile? Yes, there will be volatility. Markets, protocol, group psychology. And you could read this on your own time. Now, going on to the frequently asked questions: is it a stable coin? It is not a stable coin. It utilizes fractional treasury reserves to extract an intrinsic value. Hector, becoming an algorithmic reserve currency, will therefore provide free floating value. How does it all work? At a high level, Hector DAO consists of a protocol managed treasury, protocol owned liquidity, POL, bond mechanism, and staking rewards that are designed to control supply expansion. So what is 4, and 33? 4 and 33 are some of the labels with give to certain actions with regards to game theory. Game theory is the study of mathematical models which can be used to determine the advantage or disadvantage specific choices in a given scenario. In the case of Hector, we use it to describe the benefits and drawbacks of various ways in which users can interact with the protocol. Below is the Hector game theory matrix. It is a grid which you can use to determine the benefits of users taking actions within the protocol. The columns indicate your actions, whilst the rows indicate actions of others. Each action is assigned to a value which translates to the outcome values of the table. For example, if both parties stake, the outcome value is 3 plus 3 equals 6. This is considered a highly positive outcome for the user and the protocol. If one other user stakes whilst another buys a 4 bond, the outcome is 7 times 3 plus 4. This is also considered a highly positive outcome. But if one user sells whilst the other stake, this is an unfavorable outcome. -1 plus 1 equals 0. If both users sell, the combined downward price movement negatively affects them both. Therefore, an ideal scenario would be for all users to stake and buy 4 bonds. This allows the protocol to build reserves and offer more attractive APYs, whilst also allowing users to increase their stake and reduce their cost basis. So that was quite a handful, but here's a diagram of what they're talking about. APY, you could read that on your own time. Rebase is still worth buying, etc., etc., etc. Now it tells you how to stake it, the bonding process, what is 1 bonding, what is 4 bonding, what is wrapping, WS HEC, and they have a white paper. It's pretty small, but overall this page is quite informative. Now if you go into their dashboard, you can see more stats on the Hector token. Market cap is 145 million, price is $61. The wrapped HEC price is $294, circulating supply this much, and the backing per HEC is $55, and the current index is 4.83 s HEC. And this dashboard is pretty informative. Shows different stats on the protocol and the HEC token, and you can buy it, wrap it, bond it, stake it, etc. And going on to the roadmap, orange is done. Looks like they're about to launch into 22 and beyond, obviously, because it's 2022. And the roadmap is pretty straightforward. Orange is done. They were able to accomplish all this and more to come. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts overall are. So yeah, overall, this is a pretty interesting project. This is my first encounter with an FTM token. Personally, this does have a lot of potential, especially with the trading pairs, the staking, the bonding, and the whole theory behind this project. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Do you think this is a scam? Do you think this is a 100x gem? Do you think this will be the next big thing? With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.